Hello and welcome back to another question of the day. Today's question is how to keep skin light without getting dark. After 3 months, should I keep using glutathione, 5,000 milligrams, and vitamin C? So if you've started your lightening journey, basically you're going to always have to take glutathione in some capacity. You do not have to take such a high dose anymore. Starting at 5,000 is the least amount of glutathione that you should take to start seeing lightening, so you can go over that amount. But once you've hit your goals, you have to drop down the amount of glutathione, and you can drop it down, from 2,000 milligrams. It could be, for some people, it's going to be 1,500 milligrams or 2,500 milligrams. So it just depends. It depends on a variable of factors. One being how often are you in the sun? Two being your body weight. People with higher weight are going to need more glutathione. And then three, are you using any topicals? There are topicals that will continue to basically block any type of melanin, and will also keep your skin, protected from the sun, if you're using, the good sunscreens and things like that. So there's ways to lighten the skin and there's ways to protect from the sun. If you're doing those things, then obviously you're going to have an easier time of maintaining your results afterwards. It's funny because I was reading the back of one of my sunscreens that I just bought. I just did like a sunscreen and skincare haul for lightening on Patreon if you guys want to go check that out. But I was reading the back, and so they have some sun protection measures, and obviously this is like for anti-aging, but we can keep this in mind for lightening as well. And so basically it says spending time in the sun increases your risk of skin cancer and early skin aging. To decrease this risk, regularly use sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF, value of 15 or higher, and other sun protection measures. So it's like, don't just put on sunscreen, also take other measures. One of them being limit time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. If you live in a really hot place or where the sun is really, really strong, like I do, then 10 p.m. does not cut it. You need to be out of the sun by 9 a.m. And if you're going to be in the sun, then you need to make sure that you're wearing clothing that protects you, and also sunscreen under that clothing, because the sun's darkening rays can get through certain fabrics and certain colors. I go through what colors and what fabrics protect the best, all on Patreon. Go check out that video. But yeah, so they're saying 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. For me, it's like I'm not directly in the sunlight after 9 a.m. Well, I'm not like out there doing stuff. Like obviously I still have to like drive and stuff like that, but I make sure like I get to where I'm going. And then as far as for 2 p.m., I usually, unless there's like a really, really dark, dreary day, for me it's like I won't like start doing fun activities outdoors or like walking my dog until sunset, so around dusk. So whenever you see like the sky get nice and pretty and pink and the cotton candy clouds, usually that's when I feel like I can go and do yard work, walk the dog, all the fun outdoor activities. I just live in a place where it's like it's just really hot and miserable, so it's not fun to be out there. But the days or the time of day when the sun is at its most powerful is between, so just keep that in mind, guys. But yeah, so basically, just in short, you're going to have to always be on glutathione, and if you're not always on glutathione at a smaller dose, then you're going to have to use some type of lightening lotion that's going to continue to keep your skin from making more melanin, and as well as you're going to have to block basically the UVB and the UVA rays from the sun. So you're gonna have to use a sunscreen that actually does that. Not all of them do that, so it's very important that you get a brand and you know what percentage of the ingredients that you need for it to actually keep you from tanning and getting darker. Okay, hope that helps.